Light is a silent partner of music. Before a note is heard, it shapes the space where emotion will land. Together, light and sound do not just fill a room. They tune the heart, guiding how the moment is felt before it is understood. My name is Chase Goodman with Cactus Light and Sound. We're an ADV integrator here in the greater Phoenix area. We're out at Queen Creek at a project that we just finished up with a variety of PureEdge products. We want to take you through and kind of show you what we did. We used the TruLine as the highlight and the staple piece of this project. Also with that, we used the Luca 2.7-inch downs with the DMX control and the tunable white, RGB-TW. For the accent lights, we used the linear tape. And then the highlight of the project for me, at least anyways, was the veil system that we modified. That light is meant to be mud into a gypsum ceiling. We had a local metal fabricator that we work with, put a flange on there, and we were able to integrate that into the hung and groove. And I thought that really highlighted the space really well. It's something unique and different, and I think that's what's great about their products. They're not just off-the-shelf products as well. You can do that, but it gives you the flexibility to do different things and be creative with how you integrate those into a space. Everything is controlled through the Control4 system. Controlling the lights was pretty straightforward. DMX sounds challenging until you get into it. This is actually our first project using DMX protocol. Integrating that within the Control4 system was pretty straightforward setup. Honestly, it was just a few clicks here and there on both the fixture itself and actually in the back end of the software. But it gives you a pretty robust control on the back end for the user. The customizability is kind of the main selling point of a fixture, the PureEdge fixtures, is they allow you to take a fixture might be intended for one thing, and if you can come up with a different way to use it, it's pretty flexible and easy to use. Working with the support team, system design, the sales, being able to utilize the most out of the projects was top notch. You had a one-on-one sales team that worked with the design team, made sure you had all the right parts and everything like that. There is a lot that goes into a system like this. So being the first time that we've done something to this scale, having that support team behind us to make sure that nothing was dropped. We were on a tight time frame. The client had, family coming to town. They wanted to get this project done, and this was kind of the last hurdle. So having a team that was able to make sure that we were able to get all the parts on site to be able to deploy the system pretty quickly was pretty important. I didn't feel like we were just a number, As you use the products and find out different solutions, you can use PureEdge within your designs. I'm really looking forward to the next one, next opportunity, the next job, and the next masterpiece we can create.
My name's Jen Schroeder. I'm the owner of this house, and I am so excited to be here and to have finished this project. I'm the daughter of a contractor, and my entire life building homes, I wanted as much light as possible. So when building this project, I knew that light would be one of the elements that we wanted to feature. My sister is a vice president of a wholesale lighting company, and so I went to her after meeting with Chase, and I said, Chase told me that PureEdge is the best on the market. Can you confirm that for me? And undoubtedly, she said that PureEdge is the leader in this industry if you want high quality luxury lighting. And so after that, it was validation that PureEdge was what we were going to go with. I trusted Chase and his team to put together a fantastic package. And as you can see, this is an incredible display of lighting. It's incredible how we can have upper lighting, we can have highlighted lighting, we can light tables, under cabinets, and this is exactly what we wanted for this project. We wanted someone to walk in our front door, see the outside, and immediately see it lit. We wanted to host people. We want people to travel in. We want our family to come here. And it was really important to us that we created a place and a sanctuary that people felt comfortable and that people wanted to be at. When you create something like that, you want sound, you want lighting, you want the show-stopping backyard, and that's what this place is. It's a place where families can come, where people can come and feel like they're at a resort. Truly, that's what we want people to feel, that they walk in and that they're at a resort. And so we hope that we did that. We think we did. There's no way I could pick just one favorite piece of lighting on this project. I think it all complements each other so well. If you force me to choose one, I think it would be the TruLine, but honestly, the undercab lighting complements it so well, and it really just works cohesively together. So if you're on the fence, pick it all. You won't regret it. It's beautiful and it's exactly what we wanted. And I'm so grateful for Cactus Sight and Sound and PureEdge. Love your life with light.